Looking for the best smart kitchen gadgets for cooking? You're in the right place. In this video, we're revealing the best smart kitchen gadgets for cooking that will save you time, simplify your meals, and upgrade your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to GadgetNest for more smart kitchen tools and honest reviews. Check the links in the description for the latest deals on each product. Let's dive in. Number 7. Axiom Creations Smart Cutting Board Set. Revolutionize your prep station with the Axiom Creations Smart Cutting Board and Knife Set. This premium set includes 4 self-cleaning, color-coded cutting boards and 4 stainless steel knives, each built for a specific food type to prevent cross-contamination. The built-in drying holder keeps everything organized and clutter-free. It's ideal for busy cooks who value hygiene and efficiency. The knives are sharp, sturdy, and built to last, making chopping vegetables or carving meats a breeze. Each cutting board automatically sanitizes, ensuring a safe surface every time you cook. Perfect for modern kitchens looking for smart design and cleanliness. Its colorful layout is also great for teaching kids safe food prep practices. The sleek storage system fits easily on your countertop, combining style with function. Whether you're meal prepping or cooking a family dinner, this set keeps your workflow clean, fast, and enjoyable. Number 6. ChefMan Digital Air Fryer Plus. Meet the ChefMan Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus, your all-in-one cooking powerhouse. This XL10L air fryer goes beyond frying. It also roasts, bakes, dehydrates, and includes a built-in rotisserie. With 17 touchscreen presets, preparing meals is as easy as pressing a button. The large viewing window lets you watch your food cook to perfection without opening the door. Designed for family-sized meals, it's perfect for busy weeknights or entertaining guests. The auto shutoff adds an extra layer of safety, especially in homes with kids. Fry foods with little to no oil for a healthier lifestyle. From crispy chicken wings to dried fruits and baked goods, this air fryer handles it all. It's sleek, efficient, and saves time. The digital interface is intuitive and beginner-friendly. A kitchen must-have for anyone who values health, flavor, and simplicity in one compact appliance. Number 5. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 redefines versatility in the kitchen. It combines 10 essential cooking functions: pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, sous vide, steam, and more, into one sleek black appliance. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families or batch cooking. Its app offers over 800 recipes, guiding you through a variety of cuisines with ease. Whether you're making hearty stews or creamy homemade yogurt, this machine handles it all. Precise temperature control makes sous vide cooking simple, while the sterilizer ensures a clean kitchen environment. It's fast, reliable, and built to last with a modern stainless steel core. Perfect for busy households looking to save time and elevate meal quality. Forget juggling multiple pots and pans. This one appliance does it all and does it well. Ideal for anyone who wants a smarter, stress-free way to cook healthy, delicious meals every day. Number 4. CharmLine Smart Cutting Board Set. Keep your kitchen neat and functional with the CharmLine Smart Cutting Board and Knife Set. This all-in-one set features double cleaning and drying functions, helping maintain a hygienic food prep area. The included holder organizes both the cutting board and knives, saving precious counter space. It's the ideal companion for small kitchens or anyone who values efficiency. The brown finish adds a modern, elegant touch to your kitchen decor. Each element is designed for ease of use. Even beginners will appreciate its simple, smart layout. Drying and cleaning are built in, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time cooking. Perfect for slicing vegetables, meat, or bread. No more messy counters or cross-contamination risks. A smart sanitary upgrade for any household. If you want clean, organized cooking every day, this is a stylish and practical choice. Number 3. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is a game changer in the kitchen. This 10-in-1 multi-cooker does it all: pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, and more. With Wi-Fi connectivity and a built-in scale, you get accuracy and convenience in one powerful machine. It features over 500 guided recipes in its app, so you'll never run out of meal ideas. The 6-quart size is perfect for families, letting you cook large portions efficiently. From soups and stews to rice and risottos, it handles any cuisine you throw at it. The smart design and user-friendly interface make it ideal for both beginners and seasoned chefs. Its sleek black finish looks great in any kitchen. The guided recipes walk you through every step, reducing prep time and improving outcomes. With this cooker, you'll eat better, save time, and feel more confident in the kitchen. Number 2. Chef IQ Sense Smart Thermometer. Take the guesswork out of cooking with the Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. Equipped with 3 ultra-thin probes, it delivers pinpoint-accurate readings every time. Its Bluetooth technology gives you unlimited range, so you can monitor your food from anywhere in the house. Whether you're grilling outside or baking in the oven, this digital thermometer ensures perfectly cooked meals without needing to hover nearby. The display is crisp and easy to read, showing real-time updates on your meat's temperature. This gadget is ideal for BBQ enthusiasts and home chefs who demand precision. Setup is fast and intuitive, even for beginners. It's compact, sleek, and doesn't clutter your space. Keep your meals juicy, safe, and delicious every time you cook. A reliable tool for anyone serious about food, perfect for holidays, dinner parties, or just an everyday steak night. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is your ultimate kitchen multitasker. Whether you're pressure cooking, slow cooking, or even making yogurt, this device handles it all with ease. Its stainless steel body is durable and easy to clean, while the 6-quart size is perfect for family meals. The real highlight is the included app, giving you access to over 800 chef-curated recipes, great for meal inspiration. Need dinner fast? Pressure cooking slashes cooking time? Want healthy? Use the steamer or sauté function. You also get a warmer and sterilizer, ideal for baby bottles or utensils. The user-friendly design is perfect for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. With this all-in-one appliance, you'll save counter space and simplify your cooking process. Make your kitchen smarter, cleaner, and more efficient with just one product. Whether you're feeding a family or meal prepping for the week, this is a time-saving must-have. Thanks for watching today's top picks from GadgetNest. If you enjoy discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make your life easier, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. All product links and latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss them. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.